As you can see, this application just paid me through Bitcoin worth of $0.5. As you can see on the email, you can see the transaction made by clicking view the transaction. I have just received my money in my Coinbase account.
Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps.
Earn rewards by playing simple games and inviting your friends. Earn coins and convert them to real rewards. Redeem real money prizes. You can earn reward anytime and from anywhere. Easy and simple. Every day is a chance to win real cash. Simple and easy option for withdrawal of the accumulative money through the world famous sites. Direct transfer to your PayPal account, Coinbase, Amazon, Binance or other virtual wallets. Direct transfer to your accounts. Cash out amount above minimum withdrawal from this application. Withdrawal to your PayPal account any time of the day. Payments can take up to 7 days before they are delivered to your cash out provider. Most will take less than 24 hours or will be even instant. These also work for Coinbase, Amazon and Binance withdrawals. So guys, I have made a video tutorial about this application. I have placed a link in the description below. Go watch the tutorial video on this app. So let's go to the application. As you can see, this is application. Click the dollar sign, click the plus sign to convert your coins to dollar. As you can see, I have 9,653 coins. Click the plus sign repeatedly. 907,050 coins are converted to $0.75 and click convert. You can use the website to take advantage of 10% less convert rate offer. I will click continue to shorten the video, but you can take the advantage of 10% less convert rate by clicking go to our website. So as you can see, successfully converted my Givi coins to the chosen currency. Click great and again click withdraw. As you can see, there are many choices to withdraw my balance. You can withdraw your earning in your crypto wallet or redeem Amazon gift card. I will show you when I withdraw my balance to my Coinbase account. Place your Coinbase email address on the space provided and fill the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum amount to withdraw is $0.2. Click withdraw. As you can see, I made a request to withdraw the amount of $0.75 at my selected email. Click yes. I have successfully made a withdrawal request. Click great. Boom. As you can see, this application just paid me through Bitcoin worth of $0.5. As you can see on the email, you can see the transaction made by clicking view the transaction. As you can see, I have just received my money in my Coinbase account. So guys, if you want to make money with this application, there is a video tutorial about this application. I have placed a link in the description below for the video and also a link for the application. This is the best way to earn passive online income.
So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.